Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Now, in the previous video, we have learned the CP, that is the copy command. Now, in copy command, we saw that when we are copying a file or a folder from one directory to another directory, it is keeping a record. It is keeping both the files in both the directories. Like, for example, if we have copied the nat.txt from SD card to home directory, we can find the nat.txt in both the directories, like in SD card also and in home directory as well. But if we use mv command, that is move command is used to to move the one file or folder from one directory completely to the another directory. You won't find, like, if we just move the nat.txt or any file or folder from SD card to home directory, you won't find it from in SD card once it is moved to home directory. Okay, so let's begin the video. Move a folder. For that, we'll write mv -v and the folder name and the location. As you can see, in our home directory, I have created a folder named as ZZZZ. Now I want to copy this, I want to move this folder from our home directory to our SD card. So now type mv move -v for the folder and the folder name, also the location. Like we can see, inside the SD card we have a Debian folder. I want to move this ZZZ into inside the Debian. All right. So there was some, yeah. As you can see, we have written mv -v ZZZ and we have given the location. As soon as we have pressed enter, it is showing created directory /SD card / Debian and /ZZZ. Remove directory ZZZ, which means from home directory ZZZ has been removed and it has been created inside SD card inside the Debian folder. Alright, now if you do ls, you can see that the ZZZ folder has been removed from the home directory. Now if you want to move the new tablet.txt, it is a file to SD card, and inside the bin and inside ZZZ you need to type mv, the file name and the location. You can see the newest traveler file has been copied from the home to our SD card directory.